Welcome to Tongal Online Classes. See students, in the last class we are completed the question number 7. So in the next question, see the next question number 8. So what is the question is, see the question number 8. Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. So they are given the 2 points in the question. What is that? Given, see that one, given P is equal to, what is the points is given? Given P is equal to 1, 2, 3 and Q is equal to 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So these 2 points are given in the question. So what they are asking, you have to calculate the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. First, you have to take these 2 points P and Q. Then what is the position vector? The position vector of OP bar. The position vector of P is nothing but OP bar. It will become I plus 2j plus 3k bar. And the position vector of OQ, what is the position vector of Q is OQ bar, that is nothing but 4i plus 5j plus 6k. So these are the position vectors of the given point. So what you have to calculate? We have to calculate PQ bar vector. What is the PQ bar vector? PQ bar vector is nothing but OQ bar minus OP bar. So that is nothing but, OQ is nothing but 4i plus 5j plus 6k minus, what is the OP bar? OP bar is nothing but I plus 2j plus 3k. So that is nothing but 4i plus 5j plus 6k cap minus I minus 2j minus 3k. So what happens? 4i minus I, that is nothing but 3i cap. 5j minus 2j, that is nothing but 3j cap. 6k minus 3k, that is nothing but plus 3k cap. So that is nothing but here, this is the PQ bar vector. Similarly, I will calculate mod PQ bar also. Mod PQ bar. What is the mod PQ bar? Mod PQ bar is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. So what is that? That is nothing but the square root of x square is nothing but the 3 square plus y square is nothing but the 3 square plus z square is nothing but 3 square. So what happens, students? That is the root of 9 plus 9 plus 9. So what happens? Root 27. So you can written as 3 root 3. So this is the magnitude of that PQ bar vector. So what is the question is, therefore the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar is, that is nothing but PQ cap. So that is nothing but PQ bar by mod PQ bar. What is the unit vector of A? That is A cap. A cap is nothing but A bar by mod A. Here the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. What is the PQ bar? That is nothing but PQ bar by mod PQ bar. So that is equal to, what is the PQ bar vector is 3i plus 3j plus 3k by, what is the mod PQ value? That is nothing but 3 root 3. So separate the terms here, 3i by 3 root 3 plus 3 by 3 root 3 into j cap plus 3 by 3 root 3 into k cap. So that is cancel the 3 values here. What we will get? That 1 by root 3 into I cap 1 by root 3 into j cap plus 1 by root 3 into k cap. So that is the required unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. Are you understand, students? See that question. See students, see the question number 9. So what is the question is, for the given vectors, a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k, and b bar is equal to minus I plus j minus k. So they are given the two vectors. For given vectors, a bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k and b bar is equal to minus I plus j minus k. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vectors a bar plus b bar. So they are asking the unit vector of a bar plus b bar. So first you have to calculate the vector a bar plus b bar. Then we can calculate that mod a bar plus b bar. Then you can calculate the unit vector also. So first to see students, so how to calculate the unit vectors here. First start the solution. So what is that given? So two vectors are given, a bar and b bar. First you have to calculate that a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar is equal to, what is that a bar plus b bar? 2i minus j plus 2k plus minus I plus j minus k. So add these two vectors, what you will get that 2i minus I, that is nothing but I cap, minus j plus j, it will be cancelled, that is nothing but the 0 into j cap, 2k minus k, it will become plus k cap. So that is nothing but a bar plus b bar is nothing but I plus 0j plus k bar. Next calculate the magnitude of the also. So a bar plus b bar, mod a bar plus b bar is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So what is that? Root of x square, I coefficient is 1, so it will become 1 square, y coefficient, y is nothing but the j coefficient, that is 0 square, plus k coefficient is 1, so it will become 1 square. So what happens students? Square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1, so that is nothing but root 2. So what is the question they are asking? Therefore the unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar is, what is the formula? A plus b, that is the unit vector, that is equal to a bar plus b bar by mod a bar plus b bar. So that is nothing but a bar plus b bar is nothing but I cap plus k cap by root 2. So that is nothing but 1 by root 2 into I cap plus 1 by root 2 into k cap. See students, so a and b is given, they are asking the unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar. So what is the formula? A cap is equal to a bar by mod a. So here a plus b unit vector, a plus b is the unit vector they are asking. So a plus b whole cap is equal to a bar plus b bar by mod a bar plus b bar. So already you are calculated that a bar plus b bar is I plus k. Why? Because the j coefficient is 0, so it will become 0, I plus k only, I plus k by mod a plus b is a root 2. So just replace the value and separate the terms. Okay. See the next question. What is the question number 10? So see the question number 10. So see the question. Find the vector in the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k. So 5i minus j plus 2k which has magnitude 8 units, which has a magnitude 8 units. So they are asking one vector in the direction of this vector and whose magnitude is 8 units. Whose magnitude is 8 units. See students, if you can take 8 a cap, what is the magnitude of this vector is? What is the magnitude of this vector? Because a cap is a unit vector, automatically the magnitude will become 8 only. Yes or no? And also this vector is in the direction of a bar. I understand that. What is the A8 cap? A cap is nothing but it is the vector in the direction of a bar and has a magnitude is 8 units. Yes or no? If you can apply the mod, what happens? Mod a cap will become 1 only. So it will become the magnitude is 8 and also this vector in the direction of a cap. So what we have to calculate for this question also? We have to calculate the unit vector of a cap and the required vector is nothing but 8 into a cap. The vector in the direction of A having the magnitude is 8 is nothing but 8 a cap. So this is value you have to calculate. So first you have to calculate the unit vector, then you can calculate the 8 a cap. So see the students here. So what is that one is? First let a bar is equal to, what is the vector is? 5i minus j plus 2k. Take the vector first. So for this vector, what I will take that a bar is given mod a bar is equal to, what is the mod a bar? Square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is nothing but root of x value is 5, so it will become 5 square plus y value is a minus 1 whole square plus z value is 2, so it will become 2 square. So what happens students? It will become square root of 25 plus 1 plus 4. So that is equal to square root of 26 plus 4, that is nothing but root 30. So that value is nothing but mod a. Therefore, the unit vector in the direction of a bar is, what is that? A cap. What is the a cap is? A cap is nothing but a bar by mod a bar. So that is equal to, what is the a bar? A bar vector already you know that 5i minus j plus 2k whole by mod a value is nothing but root 30. Therefore the required vector, what is the required vector? The required vector is nothing but a into 8 cap. What is the required vector? The vector is in the direction of a bar and having the magnitude is 8 units. What is that? The required vector is nothing but 8 into a cap. So that is nothing but here 8 into a cap value is nothing but 5i minus j plus 2k cap by root 30. Just multiply inside, what you will get that one, that is 8 into that is the 40 by root 30 into I cap minus 8 by root 30 into j cap, that is nothing but 16 k cap, 16 by root 30 into k cap. See that question students? So what they are asking, they are given one vector, they are asking a vector is in the direction of a bar. Why? Because a cap is a vector is in the direction of a bar. I understand that. And also a cap is a unit vector. So the magnitude will become the 1 only. So what is the required vector is, for the same question if they will ask that find the vector in the direction of a bar and whose magnitude is 10. So what we have to calculate? 10 into a cap. For example, find a vector in the direction of a bar and whose magnitude is lambda. So you have to multiply lambda into a cap. So first we have to calculate the a cap and just multiply with the lambda. Are you understand, students? So see the next question. See the question number 11. So what is the question number 11 is? See that question number 11. Show that two vectors are collinear. Show that the vectors, what is the vectors are? 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. So they are asking, you have to show that these two vectors are collinear. So how to prove that two vectors are collinear? I am already given that. So if a bar and b bar are collinear, so what is the condition? I am told that b bar is equal to lambda into a bar. B bar is equal to lambda into a bar. If you can show like that, so then we can say that a bar and b bar are collinear vectors. Otherwise, I am given one more condition. b1 by a1 is equal to b2 by a2 is equal to b3 by a3 is equal to some scalar. Then we can say that the two vectors are collinear. So here we have to, they are given that two vectors, we have to show that the two vectors are collinear. In any manner you can prove that. Okay. So see that one first. What I will do that one. First I will take that, let a bar is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k, comma b bar is equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. So here what is the vectors are? So first I will take that b bar is equal to b bar. What is the b bar is? B bar is equal to minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 8 a cap. So I will take that minus 2 common from this one. What you will get that? That is nothing but the 2i minus 3j plus 4k cap. So it is in the form of 2 into a bar. So therefore b bar is equal to minus 2 into a bar is in the form of b bar is equal to lambda into a bar, comma where lambda is equal to minus 2. So what is this? This is in the form of b bar is equal to lambda into a bar. What is the lambda value? Is minus 2. Therefore the vectors a bar comma b bar are collinear. Are understand, students? And also we can prove in the second method also. What is that? I will take that one, second method. Second method, what is that one is? So in this method also we can prove that one. First of all, I will take that. So the vectors, what is the a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to minus 3, a3 is equal to 4, next b1 is equal to the components minus 4, and b2 is equal to 6, and b3 is equal to minus 8. So what I will calculate? b1 by a1 is equal to, what is the b1 by a1? Minus 4 by 2. So that is equal to minus 2, comma B2 by A2. What is the B2 value is 6 by A2 value is minus 3. So that is also minus 2. And B3 by A3. B3 by A3. What is that value is minus 8 by 4. So that is equal to minus 2. So what we can declare that therefore B1 by A1 is equal to B2 by A2 is equal to B3 by A3, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, already I am given B1 by A1 equal to B2 by A2 equal to B3 by A3. Therefore, A bar comma B bar are collinear. Or understand, students, you can prove in this method or in this method. Any one of the methods you can prove this question. Okay. So see the next question. Read the question number 12. So what is the question number 12 is? See the question number 12. Find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Find the direction cosines of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. So I plus 2j plus 3k. So this vector is given, they are asking the direction cosines. So already we know that what is the direction cosines are. What is the direction cosines are? The direction cosines is nothing but cos alpha, that is nothing but L. What is that? That is nothing but x by r. What is this meaning is x by r is nothing but root of x square plus y square plus z square. Alpha is nothing but cos alpha, that is the direction cosines is L is equal to cos alpha, that is nothing but x by r. What is the x? X is the I coefficient by mod r is the magnitude of the given vector. So that is nothing but x by root of x square plus y square plus z square. Similarly, m value is y by r. So y by root of x square plus y square plus z square. And n is nothing but z by r. What is the z by r? So z by root of x square plus y square plus z square. So these are the direction cosines of the given vector. So first you have to see that I am taking that here. Let a bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k is the given vector. So first I will calculate that mod a. So what is the mod a value? Mod a is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is equal to root of, what is the x square value? I coefficient is a 1, that is nothing but 1 square. Y is nothing but the j coefficient, that is the 2. So you can take the 2 square here. Z is nothing but the k coefficient, that is the 3 whole square. So what happens, students, here? Root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. So it will become root 14. So a vector and magnitude of the vector is root 14. So after calculating this, so I need to calculate that the direction cosines. So what is the direction cosines are? Let alpha comma beta comma gamma are direction angles then L is equal to cos alpha. What is the L value? L value is nothing but x by that is a mod a bar. So that is nothing but x by mod r, that is r is nothing but the magnitude, that is nothing but x value. What is the x value here? X value is nothing but I coefficient, that is a 1 by root 14. Similarly, m. What is the m? M is nothing but cos beta. What is the cos beta? Cos beta is nothing but y by mod a. So that is nothing but y value. Y is nothing but j coefficient. That is the 2 by mod a is nothing but root of x square plus y square plus z square. You are already calculated that. That value is nothing but root 14. Next, n is equal to, what is the n? N is nothing but cos gamma. Cos gamma is nothing but z by mod a bar. So that is nothing but, z value is nothing but 3 by root 14. So therefore the direction cosines of the vector a bar, or what is that vector direction cosines are, that is equal to, what is that, 1 by root 14 comma 2 by root 14 comma 3 by root 14. So see students, so they are asking, given one vector, they are asking you have to calculate the direction cosines of the vector. So first you have to calculate the magnitude. So that is the mod a is equal to root 14. So alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles. L is equal to cos alpha, already know that. Cos alpha is nothing but x by r. R is nothing but mod a here. So x by r, so that is nothing but x value is nothing but the I coefficient, that is 1 by root 14. So this value is 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 is nothing but the direction cosines of the given vector. Okay, so see that next question. See the next question, question number 13. So what is the question number 13 is? So see that question. Find the direction cosines of the vector. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points A. What is A? A is nothing but 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. And B, what is the B point is? B is nothing but minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. So find the directed from A to B. So they are asking you have to calculate the direction cosines of AB bar. You have to calculate the direction cosines of AB bar. So first you have to calculate the AB bar vector, then calculate the mod AB bar, then calculate the direction cosines of AB bar. Okay, so start the students first. So what is the conditions they are given, that we can check the points once again. So 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, comma 1, minus 1, minus 2, comma 1. So okay, so start that one first. So first they are given these points here, so take the points given. What is that? A is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, B is equal to minus 1, minus 2 and 1. So first calculate that the position vectors. OA bar, what is the OA bar? Is the position vector of A, the point A. So that is nothing but I plus 2j minus 3k. And what is the position vector of B? That is nothing but OB bar. What is the OB bar? Is minus I minus 2j plus k. So next I have to calculate that AB bar vector. So what is the AB bar vector? AB bar is nothing but OB bar minus OA bar. How to calculate AB bar? AB bar is nothing but OB bar minus OA bar. So that is nothing but OB bar is nothing but minus I minus 2j plus k minus of, what is the OA bar? OA bar is nothing but I plus 2j minus 3k. So that is minus I minus 2j plus k minus I minus 2j minus of minus plus 3k. So what happens? Minus I, it will become minus 2i, minus 2j, it will become minus 4j, k plus 3k, so it will become 4k. So this is the AB bar vector. Next I need to calculate the magnitude of this vector, that is nothing but mod AB bar. So that is nothing but root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is nothing but root of x square is nothing but minus 2 square, y square is nothing but a minus 4 square plus 4 square. So that is nothing but the square root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. So that is nothing but 32 plus 4, that is nothing but root 36. So that is equal to 6. So this is the AB bar vector magnitude. So I need to calculate the direction cosines. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma or direction angles of AB bar, direction angles of AB bar. So L is equal to, what is the L? L is nothing but cos alpha. Cos alpha is nothing but x by mod AB bar. So what is the x? X is nothing but in the vector the I coefficient, that is nothing but minus 2 by mod AB bar is nothing but 6. So that is equal to minus 1 by 3. So M is equal to cos beta. So that is nothing but y by mod AB bar. So that is nothing but y value. What is the y value is? Minus 4 by 6. So that is equal to minus 2 by 3. And n value, what is the n value is? N is equal to cos gamma. What is the cos gamma is? Z by mod AB bar. So that is equal to, Z value is nothing but 4. So 4 by 6. So that is equal to 2 by 3. So therefore we can declare that, therefore the direction cosines of AB bar is equal to, what is that? Minus 1 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. So see that question, students. A vector or a line passing through 2 points A, B. So how to calculate the direction cosines? Direction cosines, we have to calculate first AB bar. AB bar is nothing but OB minus OA. Next, calculate the magnitude of the vector, that is 6. After calculating this, alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles of AB bar. Then L is equal to cos alpha. Cos alpha value is nothing but x by mod AB bar. That is nothing but minus 1 by 3. M is equal to cos beta. Y by mod AB, it will become minus 2 by 3. And N is equal to cos gamma. That value is nothing but 2 by 3. Therefore, the direction cosines of AB bar is nothing but minus 1 by 3, comma minus 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3. Okay. See, students. See that question. See the question number 14. So these questions are all in the, that is the basics are here. So this is the useful for the next topic. 3-dimensional is there, 3D. So in that one we will use all these conditions once again. Okay, so very important one, vectors, and after this one 3-dimension is also there. So there are some connection is there. We have to calculate the direction cosines in the next chapter also. Okay, so that's why see that questions carefully. Okay, see the question number 14. See the question number 14. So what is that question is? So see that question. Show that the vector I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k. So what is that they are asking? You have to show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis ox comma oy comma oz. So what is the meaning is that equally inclined meaning is nothing but making equal angles with x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Making equal angles with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So that meaning is you have to show that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, that the direction cosines, yes or no? So that meaning is cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. Then we can say that the line makes equal angles with the given coordinate axis. Then we can declare that the given vector is equally inclined with coordinate axis. Or understand that? What is the direction cosines? That line makes the angles x-axis, y-axis, z-axis is alpha, beta, gamma. Yes or no? So that is you have to show that alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. That meaning is you have to show that cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma. So the direction cosines are equal. Then we can say that the given vector is equally inclined with the axis x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay students. So first we have to calculate the direction cosines and we have to show that the direction cosines all are equal. Okay. So see that how to calculate this. So first I am taking that let a bar is equal to, what is the vector is I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k. So how to calculate the vector, that is mod a bar is here. Mod a bar is equal to, what is the mod a bar? Mod a bar is nothing but root of x square plus y square plus z square. So that is equal to root of x square is nothing but 1 square plus y value is a 1. That is the 1 square. Z value is also 1. It is also 1 square. So that is nothing but the square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is equal to root 3. So here let alpha comma beta comma gamma or direction angles of a bar. That meaning is the vector makes an angles with x, y, z axis or alpha, beta, gamma. These are the direction angles I am taken. So next L is equal to, what is the L? L is nothing but the cos alpha. Cos alpha is nothing but x by mod a bar. So what is the x value? X value is nothing but 1 by root 3. M, what is the m value? M is equal to cos beta, that is equal to y by mod a bar. So that is equal to 1 by, that is also root 3. N, what is the n? Is equal to cos gamma. Cos gamma is z by mod a bar. So what is the z value? Z value is 1. So 1 by mod a value is root 3. So therefore what you are observed here, L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore the vector a bar makes equal angles with OX comma OY and OZ. That is a bar is equally inclined with OX comma OY and OZ. So a bar makes equal angles with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. That meaning is a bar is equally inclined with x, y and z-axis respectively.